next thing I want to touch base on is going to be the crazy interest that you all have shown in my new REI reply automation program. Man, y'all went crazy. I've never put out a service that has gotten so much interest in so little time, y'all. So salute to y'all. You know, it's a lot of y'all out there that obviously want to get y'all businesses rocking and rolling. Man, I've literally had to put the service on a wait list literally twice already because we ran out of spots. So we're only trying to take like so many people at a time. I've been trying to bring on new staff members so we actually can help more of you all kind of get this stuff started up sooner than later. So guys, I'm gonna try to set up a link probably below this video to where you all can just sign up for the automation program. I'm gonna open up some more spots and I'm gonna make the process a lot easier. I'll probably make a little video kind of just talking about what you'll actually get, kind of basically taking that conversation that we would have had and just putting it into a video so you all will know exactly what you're going to be getting if you did decide to sign up for the REI Reply automation program. Basically, we're going to get your entire business set up for you. We're going to set up the campaigns. We're going to set up some custom campaigns, some custom templates for you. We're going to set up all of our workflows and automations and triggers that we use inside of our business. We're going to install them into your account. It's like over 50 different automations. So let's say, for instance, if someone is saying no, we'll automatically open up that message, you know, put them into like the not interested pipeline so you don't even see that lead. We're trying to automate as much of this stuff for you as possible. Obviously, it's an entire process. It's very labor intensive. It takes us hours to actually get all of this stuff set up for you. So like we only take on so many clients at a time. But guys, go ahead, get set up, get your business rocking and rolling. Like for instance, like with the yes automations, we set it up to where if someone's saying, I'm interested, make me an offer, send me an offer, we're going to automatically have you sent a text message that says someone wants an offer inside of REI Reply. So you can kind of weed through the clutter a lot more easily and a lot more effectively. Let's put it like that versus, you know, you may get 60 to 100 responses in a day. So we want to kind of just automate the process, make it flow a lot smoother so you can really just pay attention to the money, right? Not everybody is going to be saying yes. That's going to be the smallest percentage of people that's actually saying yes. Most people are going to be saying no, wrong number, F off, don't text me, things like that. Boom. So guys, thanks a lot. All right, so that's super important. Definitely check out that REI Reply automation program. It's live and in full effect. You guys went crazy, and I appreciate you know, all of you all reaching out or whatever. We've had some really good conversations with you all recently. I've been actually chatting with you all. I'm the one that actually have these phone calls. You're not talking to or working with like a VA or anything like that. Like you're actually be working with me personally. We'll be chatting about these things. We'll be going over everything and whatnot. So yeah, guys, use the link down below. Sign up for the REI Reply automation program. I tried to make it as affordable as I possibly can, but we deliver a ton of value in a very short period of time. Usually it takes us about 3 days on average to actually get you rocking and rolling. Worst case scenario would be about 7 days, but that hasn't happened to anybody yet. So we've been getting them in and out in about 3 days recently, guys. So definitely check out the automation program. Now, the next thing that I want to chat with you all about is sending me y'all deals, man. Go ahead and send me your deals. If y'all trying to JV with the wholesale coach, actually get out here, work with me personally to be able to close more of your deals, definitely shoot them our way, guys. I've got an email established. You can send your deals to deals@dealflowtoday.com. I'll probably put the text up on the screen so you can see it, and I'll probably have the email address down below in the description of this video as well. Definitely shoot me over your deals if you're trying to get them closed. If you need help, I would say do yourself a favor. Don't necessarily send them as soon as you get a property under contract. Do yourself a favor, shoot me over the property. Let's say if you got like 10 or 14 days left on a contract, I would be more than glad to help you try to get this deal through the rest of the pipeline. We'll send it out to we've got access to over 3.6 million and counting buyers all throughout America. So whether it's land, it's a mobile home, it's a multifamily, it's a hotel, whatever it may be, shoot it over to us at deals at dealflowtoday.com. I'll probably leave the actual criteria that we're going to need. There's a ton of different, not a ton, there's a decent amount of information that we're going to need about any properties that you shoot our way. But all of this information can be gotten from places like PropStream, basically. So you could pop in, send us over all of the information about the property, and then we'll go ahead and get those deals shot out to over 3.6 million buyers, no matter where your property is located. And we'll try to get this baby sold for you guys. Let's make some money. We're going into Q3 right now. Well, we're already in Q3 now, and we're going to be going into Q4. At the end of the year, not as many deals are closed. We've got all of the holidays that start coming in November. And then, December, it's a wash. I mean, it's so many different holidays in December that we've really got to get busy right now. Wholesaling is all about momentum. So if you want to start building up some momentum, definitely shoot us over your deals at deals@dealflowtoday.com. We'll be glad to help you all.